This is world-changing invention. The smoke alarm has saved tens of thousands of people lives globally. But smoke alarms do not prevent fires. Every year in the USA, over 20,000 people are killed or injured with 350 home fires. And one of the main causes of all these fires is electricity. So what if we could prevent electrical fires before they happen? A couple of friends I have figured out how to do it. So how does electricity ignite residential fires? Well, the main cause, it turns out main causes are faulty or misused appliances and electrical wiring. Our invention had to address all of these issues. What about circuit breakers? Thomas Edison invented circuit breaker in 1879. This is 130-year technology, and this is a problem because over 80% of all home electrical fires start below the safety threshold of circuit breakers. So we considered all of this and realized that appliances must be able to communicate with electrical receptacle. Any electrical device, an appliance, an extension cord, whatever, must be able to tell the power outlet, power outlet, I'm drawing too much current, shut me down now before I start a fire. And the power outlet needs to be smart enough to do it. Here's what we did. We put a 10-cent digital transponder in the appliance's plug, and we put an inexpensive wireless data reader inside the receptacle so they could communicate. Now every home electrical system becomes an intelligent network. appliances safety operating parameters are embedded inside the plug, and if too much current is flowing, the intelligent receptacle turns off itself and prevent another fire from starting. This technology is called EFCI, electrical fault circuit interrupter. Okay, 2 more points. Every year in the USA, over roughly 6,000 children are admitted to emergency rooms for shock and burn injuries related to electrical receptacles. And this is crazy. Intelligent receptacles prevent injuries because power is always off until intelligent plug is detected. Simple. Besides saving lives, an intelligent power will the greatest benefits of intelligent power is in its energy savings. This invention will reduce global energy consumption by allowing remote control and automation of every outlet in every homes and businesses. You can choose to reduce home energy bill by automatically cycling heavy loads like air conditioners and heaters. Hotels and businesses can shut down and use rooms from a central location or even a cell phone. There are 10 billion electrical outlets in North America alone. So potential energy savings is very, very significant. So far, we have applied for 414 patent claims, and one of those 186 have been granted, and 228 are in process. And I'm pleased to announce that our first international, just 3 weeks ago, we received our first international recognition, the 2009 CES Innovation Award. To conclude, intelligent power can globally save thousands of lives, prevent tens of thousands of injuries, and eliminate tens of billions of dollars in property damage. Every single year, while significantly saving world global energy consumption. In the spirit of this year's TED conference, we think this is a powerful world-changing invention, and I'd like to thank Chris for this opportunity to unveil our technology with you and soon the world.